Welcome to my listing here at 3987 14th Avenue Southeast off of DeSoto Boulevard in the Golden Gate Estates. This property has 2.5 acres that are just absolutely ready for anything you want to do on it. I've just been walking the property completely dry. It's been raining hard for days and you can walk every square inch of the property without a problem. I'm going to take you inside this 1,822 square foot home that was built in 2021 and has a Tesla solar system. This house is ready for you. This home features 3 bedrooms and a den, 2 bathrooms, and one of the things is this guest bathroom has really good size for an 1,800 square foot home. Now you'll notice that the homeowners have just moved out, so they do have a few things left here, but this house is ready for you to move in today.